Good day everyone, I'm Midshipman Evangelista Ken Jarbel and I'm here to demonstrate to you on how to distress and urgency and safety message. Let's proceed. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Doña Paz, MMSI 211-345-690. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 62 degrees 12 decimal 9 minutes north 007 degrees for 4 minutes east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 18 people on board including 3 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board including the casualties and the other lifeboat has 3 persons on board. Over. Pan. All station. This is 211-345-690. Motor vessel, Calapan, call, sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position, 62 degree, 12 decimal, 9 minutes, north, 007 degrees, 44 minutes east. I have problems with engine, required tag over. Security. All ship. In area Romblon, this is 211-345-690. Motor vessel Calapan, call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Dangerous wreck located in position 3 nautical miles south of Romblon. Over.